नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Respected teachers, dear students and honorable guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this enlightening event dedicated to the importance of book reading. Shab-e-Barat. Books are not just words on paper. They are gates to knowledge, light in darkness, and a path to success. कलाम हक भी पढ़ो और किताब भी पढ़ो, कलाम हक भी पढ़ो, किताब भी पढ़ो, चिराग इल्म जलाओ, निसाब भी पढ़ो. Today's program is filled with inspirations, creativity, and exciting competitions that will remind us how books shapes our minds and souls. So let's begin. Iqra, read. This was the very first command given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's begin this event with the recitation of Holy Quran, because no knowledge is greater than the knowledge that's come from Allah. किताब हक की हकीकत को जान लो पहले, किताब हक की हकीकत को जान लो पहले, यही चिराग है राह निजात के पहले. I request Aisha Janem and Laiba Ashik to come forward and recite few verses of Holy Quran. Read in the name of your Lord who created. He created man from a clod. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he knew not. The greatest source of guidance after the Quran is the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad Khatimun Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His love for knowledge and education was unmatched. Let's now listen to a beautiful naat by Aisha Janseb to enlighten our hearts. ये अल्फाज जुगनू है चमकने दो इनको, ये अल्फाज जुगनू है चमकने दो इनको, ये तहरीर खुशबू है महकने दो इनको. Now it's time for fun and creative activity. We are moving towards a bookmark formation competition. The student will design a unique and beautiful bookmark. They will have 7 minutes to complete their bookmarks. Judge will judge creativity, design and message. Let's get started. We can't wait to see amazing bookmarks you all create. किताबों की दुनिया अजब रोशनी है, किताबों की दुनिया अजब रोशनी है, ये दिल की खुशी है, ये जान की खुशी है. Now we move on the beautiful segment, our poetry competition. Today students will share their own written poetry on the importance of book reading and knowledge. Each participant will recite 2 verses. The poetry must reflect the importance of book and education. मैं लिखूंगा लफ्जों से तारीख़ आलम, मैं लिखूंगा लफ्जों से तारीख़ आलम, कि हूँ रोशनी में चिरागों का आलम. Have you ever dreamed of becoming an author? Well, here your chance to express your creativity in this segment. The student will share. If I were an author, what would be the title of my book and why? Each participant will state the name of the book they would write. They must explain the reason behind their book title. The most creative and thoughtful response will be selected as the winner. There will surely be an exciting activity, as every great author starts with an idea. Let's hear your brilliant look titles. Zoe Bafta, please come on stage. अगर मैं मुसन्निफ होता तो मैं अल्लामा इकबाल साहब की किताब लिखता. अल्लामा इकबाल उनकी ज़िंदगी पे किस तरह उन्होंने यंग जनरेशन को अपनी पोइट्री, अपनी शायरी के ज़रिए बेदार किया,